Hi everybody and welcome to Kids Talk. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to wear the cricket pads. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. First of all, if you have a cricket stick like me and have problems wearing it, so we're going to be covering that in today's video. I'm going to be telling you which pads you should wear, how to wear them, and which order to wear them. So first of all, let's start with the bottom. That's our knee pads. So I'll get one out for your reference. We'll keep this aside. And now, as you can see here, then it opens from here. So you should make sure that whatever you do, this end should be at the ending of your leg. So for example, this should be here. This should not be like this, because if you see, it's gonna come like this and then gonna be like that. So it shouldn't come like that. So if you see, then first you open it like this. Then after wearing it like this, you have to put it inside of this loop. Then you should tighten it, and then you should close it like that. Do the same for the other two, like this. And then the third one, you come over, you put it in this loop, and you close it. Then you put it straight. Now that's one pad done. In the same way, you have to do the second pad. So for you who want to know how it feels from the front view, I'm just going to wear the second pad to show you what the front view looks like, because it's also important for you to know the front view. So here I have the loop. I put in this in the loop and close it exactly like this. Then I open this, I put this in the loop, and then I close it. Hopefully you know how to wear your leg pads now, and hopefully you don't have any doubt. Now let's move on to our next item. If we move up, then after the leg pads, we have, this is hard, the thigh pad. Now many people have dual thigh pads, but I only have one, and the process of applying both of them is pretty much the same. So I'm just going to show you one. So now you must be wondering which leg do we put this on, here or here? Well, I'm a righty, so when I'm going to be batting, then my left leg would be forward, so I have to put this leg here. If you're a lefty, and that is you bat like this, then you have to put it on your right leg. So basically, the opposite side to which you bat it on. So one string will be short like this, and one would be long. First of all, you tie the short one. You put it about above your elbow pad. So basically, when you're batting, then it should feel like it's complete. Then you take this from below your leg and strip it on. Perfect. Not like that, like this. And now you have to stretch it because then you'll know that you're wearing on the right one. Otherwise, you may end up putting this string here and this here. Then this bigger string that's above will go around your waist like this, and then it ends up here, just like this. And I repeat, it's gonna be on your opposite side. For example, my opposite side is my left side, and when I'm batting, my left leg will go forward. My right leg will stay put. So now I hope you don't have any problems in wearing your thigh pad and your leg pad. Let's move on to our next asset. So the next one is a little bit tricky to explain, but it's the abdomen guard. And if you have this like me, then this is what's known as a supporter. Let's move this to that side. So I'm gonna put this on the side for now. And this is what you're gonna wear beneath your pants, your cricket pants or whatever. And if you see, then there's gonna be a pocket inside this, and the main idea is that your pad is gonna go inside the pocket. Now it should look something like this. I have it of MRF. So the part that's hollow or like inside, that's gonna go towards you, and the one that's bent outwards, that part's gonna go inside. So you insert it in the pocket and then wear it. So if you have any matches in which you're unsure if you're gonna bat or not, then first put this on and then wear it. So this is how you're gonna be wearing it, and the logo is here. So you're gonna be wearing it like this. So if the ball comes, it's gonna hit this instead of your abdomen. Well, after the abdomen guard, we come onto our hands. But no, you do not wear your gloves first. You have your elbow guard and your helmet, not to mention the pad itself. So first you're going to be wearing your elbow guard. Now same story, which one do you wear it on? Obviously the opposite one. And well, some people, they wear it on the joint of this. That's not the correct way, because how are you going to move your hand while batting then? I've tried it before, but it just doesn't work. What you want to actually do is you want to put it below your joint. That is, if I show you, not like this, okay? Not like this, you put it like this. So if it's very tight, then you're gonna have to apply a little bit of pressure, like this, this, and this. And then it has to be towards your batting area. So you're batting like this, the ball's gonna come, it's gonna hit here. So next up, you have to wear your helmet. And how now at first glance it may look very easy, but actually it's not. So as all of you know, the face guard should be worn like this in the front, and this is the chin guard, and you can adjust this by the strap. So you have to adjust it like this. Here is your clip, and inside you'll find the other clip. And although it's very difficult, try to match this clip exactly. Like this. Perfect. Now you're all ready. But before you wear your gloves, take out your bat. Keep it to a side. And then you're gonna open your gloves. Now I have this one, and if you're wondering that why the one on the right has this extra padding, then the reason for that is whenever you're batting, then your right thumb is gonna be in front. And now, in one sec, let me just show you what that means. Now I wear my glove. Now I take my bat like this. See? Since I'm a righty, my finger is here and this is exposed. My other thumb is underneath. So when I'm going to be batting, you can see this thumb. By chance, if the ball misses you and it comes on your finger, then it's gonna hurt very bad because this not gonna protect it, but this extra padding, this is. Okay, so now you must be wondering that, well, how to do if the ball hits here or if the ball hits here where pads are not there. Well, generally the ball doesn't hit there, but if it does, then you should be in time to save it. For example, if the ball is coming at me and it bounces there, it's not gonna come here. I'm either gonna hit it or I can duck. Same with here. Such a high ball that's gonna hit here is not possible. And if it does, we're gonna hit it and duck it. So well, that's how to wear the entire cricket kit. If you have any queries, then you can comment it down below. And well, that's it for me. I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.